Bonjour! Welcome back to French Action and welcome if you are new to my channel. Last time we worked on ER verbs in the present tense. And today we are going to do IR verbs, but only the second group verbs in the present tense. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! If you watch my video on ER verbs in the present tense, you would know that the first group just has the ER verbs, regular ones. As I explained last time, aller is not part of the first group. Today we're going to look at the second group verbs, but here we are talking about regular ones. So this will not include verbs like partir, which means to leave, or sortir, which means to go out, verbs which we use a lot because they are not regular. And the last group, I'm sure you have gathered that it's really a group of all irregular verbs. I put RE endings because we have to remember verbs such as mettre, vendre, être, and so on, or boire even. But the bottom line is that they are all irregular. So just remember, first group, regular ER verbs, second group, regular IR verbs, and third group, the rest. So today the lesson is going to be very easy, and I would say easy peasy lemon squeezy, because we are talking about regular verbs. And when I say regular verbs, I mean the endings will always be the same. So I have selected finir. So that gives you je finis, tu finis, il or elle finit. Same pronunciation, but be careful. The he and the she is with an IT and not IS. So be careful. So we continue. Here it's very interesting because you're going to see that the forms of the nous and the vous and il or elle is is. And that is sound is going to tell you that is a regular IR verb. Okay? So if you don't have that is sound, you're not using an IR regular, and it's obviously not a second group verb. Nous finissons, vous finissez, il or elle finissent. So, a little exercise for you. How do we conjugate grossir, which means to put on weight? And I'm giving you je grossis as the first person. Can you remember? Just pause the video and write everything down. And then you're going to check. So now, this is the answer. Tu grossis. Il ou elle grossit, with the T this time. Nous grossissons. Vous grossissez. Il ou elle grossissent. I have selected some verbs, and here the common verbs that we used with verbs ending with IR and which are regular. As a matter of fact, there are not that many of them. The ones you tend to use are irregular. So let's go through them. Bâtir, to build, je bâtis, nous bâtissons. Choisir, to choose, je choisis, nous choisissons. Désobéir or obéir. So let's use obéir here, which means to obey. J'obéis, nous obéissons. Grandir, to grow up, Je grandis, nous grandissons. Guérir, to cure. Je guéris, nous guérissons. Haïr, to hate. Je hais, nous haïssons. So be careful here. Hais, but haïssons. Maigrir, to lose weight. Je maigris, nous maigrissons. Punir, to punish. Je punis, nous punissons. Remplir, to fill. Je remplis, nous remplissons. Réussir, to succeed. Je réussis, nous réussissons. Rougir, to blush. Je rougis, nous rougissons. Saisir, to seize. Or also to input when we talk about the computer. Je saisis, nous saisissons. To vernir, vernir, to varnish. Je vernis, nous vernissons. As usual, a little exercise where you'll have to put the verb in the present tense. Vous êtes prêts? Allons-y. So I have written 5 sentences for you, and you need to put the verbs in bracket in the right form. Number 1, les cours commencent à 9h et à 15h. Number 2, le professeur, les élèves, s'ils, Number 3, vous, la bonne couleur. Number 4, il, les données. Données means data. And the last one, tu, le seau. Seau means bucket. Voici les réponses. Les cours commencent à 9h et finissent à 15h. Numéro 2. Le professeur punit les élèves s'ils désobéissent. Numéro 3. Vous choisissez la bonne couleur. Numéro 4. Ils saisissent les données. Numéro 5. Tu remplis le seau. Did you get that? Bravo if you did. We've come to the end of this video and I hope you really liked it. So please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below and I will definitely respond. For those who don't like to leave a comment, then you can contact me directly to FrenchAction1, 1 being number 1, @gmail.com. Au revoir!